Tuesday morning. It's bank holiday yesterday. I set my alarm 10 minutes early today so I could wake up and use the Chemex and see if it wakes me up. Tastes strong. Tastes good. Not very hot. Pretty good. I'll know in a few minutes though if the feeling kicks in. Can you see the blackberry bits coursing through the smoothie? They're going to be in my teeth any second. They're all going down.
Sorry? No, I'm with you because I was.
Got soup for lunch and one of these rolls, and it tastes like they're gone off. It tastes like penicillin. It tastes a bit fizzy as well, and I'm wondering if I'm going to die. Nice soup though. Here it is, my all-time favourite sandwich. Cheese and brown bread, nothing else. Reminds me of my grandpa. Good times. Guess where we are? We're in IKEA.